In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Siteground coupon code that will get you a Siteground web hosting discount. You'll get a Siteground discount of 73% off on the Siteground's shared hosting plans, Siteground Managed WordPress hosting plans, and Siteground Woocommerce hosting plans. To get your Siteground coupon code discount of 73% off, click the link below in the description and the discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Siteground at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Siteground discount. Now let me go over the Siteground web hosting plans, going over the discount. I'm going to start with the most popular Siteground shared hosting plans. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Siteground homepage. Click View Plans under Web Hosting. You'll now see three different Siteground plans: the Startup, GrowBig, and GoGeek plan. You'll save 73% off each of these plans. The Startup plan you can get for $3.99 a month, the GrowBig plan for $6.69 a month, and the GoGeek plan for $10.69 a month. To get the 73% off Siteground discount price, you'll want to choose the 12-month term at checkout under the Purchase Information section. You get the best deal of 73% off by going with the 12-month term. Now, let's go over the Siteground Managed WordPress hosting plans. You'll see the Startup, GrowBig, and GoGeek plan. You'll get 73% off each of these plans, and you'll see the pricing is the same as the shared hosting plans. You can get the Startup plan for $3.99 a month, the GrowBig plan for $6.69 a month, and the GoGeek plan for $10.69 a month. You'll get the best deal with the 12-month term. Next, let's go over the Siteground Woocommerce hosting plans. You'll get 73% off each of these plans, just like the shared hosting and managed WordPress hosting plans, along with the same price being offered. The Startup at $3.99 a month, the GrowBig at $6.69 a month, and the GoGeek plan at $10.69 a month. You get the best deal, just like the other two plans, with a 12-month term. Enjoy your Siteground coupon discount to get 73% off Siteground web hosting. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting tutorial videos. Leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.